Of River State, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, Grand Service Star of River State. Siminalayi Fubara, Grand Service Star of River State. John Azuti Bata. Honorable Barrister Boniface, Secretary to the State Government, Dr. Tani Winnie the Right Honorable Dr.
My assignment is just a very simple one. Solidarity speech. From the front row to the last row, we are not mixed. We are proper Ikwerre ethnic nationality. It is deemed very, very necessary that the entire Ikwerre nationality will be here today, sit with you today, and express our solidarity to you for being the governor of Rivers State, a great state in the Federation. We want to thank you. You have done so much for the state. Time will not permit us to enumerate them. We want to express our gratitude to you. So far for the entire state, you have been handling with carefulness. We want to thank you for all you have done, developmental projects. You have carried that throughout the entire state, including the entire Ikwerre nation. That is why we are here. We want to support you, do the much we can do to encourage you in this administration. Others have come. They have done their bits. This is your turn. Ikwerre people cannot sit by the side and watch the good works they are doing for the people of Rivers State. That is why we are here today, to show that we are solidly behind you. You want to make it? We are not going to be by the side and watch things happening. We must make contributions. By our conduct, we must make contribution for the development of this river state. Here in Yato, we are encouraging you, don't be distracted. You know how people say, don't be distracted. Do the work you are doing. If the eyes are not seeing, the ears are hearing. So thank you very much. We are happy with you. Ikwerre people are happy with you.
I'm giving my heart for you to show them. My heart to give. Ikwerre Ethnic Nationality are so happy today to meet with you personally. It is not by delegation and not by proxy that you are here personally shows the weight of evidence. If people hear it, that Ikwerre Ethnic Nationality love you. You can see the massive turnout of Ikwerre Ethnic Nationality. It is not by might, nor by power. If you look at the population here today, Your Excellency, it is 1 over 1,000 of Ikwerre nationality. My duty is to give you not an oral address anyway, but a written address, so that at the end, as we pray to God, you'll be serving this administration for another 7 years and 1 year. You can keep it with you because written address is with you and it becomes permanent as the law provides. You can make out. And make out. This is a special address presented by his Barrister Ogbakor Ikwerre PhD, General Ogbakor Ikwerre Cultural Association Worldwide, on a courtesy call to His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, GSSR, the Governor of Rivers State. Today being the 8th day of July 2024. Your Excellency, distinguished Senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Chairman of Rivers State Traditional Council, all my brothers and sisters, particularly all government-recognized traditional rulers in Rivers State, ladies and gentlemen, you can make out and make out. Ordinarily, I should have a little preamble. Your Excellency, I, on behalf of the whole National Executive Committee of Ikwerre Organization Worldwide, comprising of those in Biafra and the home branches, and indeed the entire Ikwerre Ethnic Nationality, heartily thank Your Excellency, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, GSSRS, the only executive governor we have in Rivers State, no other one. For granting us this audience amongst other critical and tight official engagements. We also would like to thank you, Your Excellency, for honoring our invitation, particularly in 2023 Ikwerre National Day of Thanksgiving, which was held on 26 December 2023 at the Medical Center, Port Harcourt, by delegating your deputy, Her Excellency, Professor Mrs. Ngozi Obio, to ably represent you. We have indeed been honored. A pleasant representation. Your Excellency, Ogbakor Ikwerre will continue to appreciate Your Excellency's electoral victory, which was held on 11 March 2023, and which was finally affirmed by a Supreme Court victory of February 2024. So gladdened by your enviable position as the Deputy Governor of the PDP in Nigeria. Your Excellency, sir, it is recalled that Ogbakor Ikwerre had earlier made relevant congratulatory messages on these developments, using both print and electronic media, including writing letters to you. It is important that you should know a brief history of Ogbakor Ikwerre. Ogbakor Ikwerre Cultural Organization Worldwide, Your Excellency, is the apex congress of the people of Ikwerre Ethnic Nationality worldwide. It was founded in the year 1963. It has also 4 home branches, covering the 4 Ikwerre-speaking local government areas of the state. Namely, as you can see here, we have an Ikwerre representative of Emohua, Ogbakor, Port Harcourt, and Ikwerre local government. Its aims and objectives, mainly the excellency, is to foster the unity of all Ikwerre people, to provide means for the cooperation of all Ikwerre citizens and the expression of their views on matters affecting their interests, to foster brotherhood, social and cultural understanding among the people of Ikwerre Ethnic Nationality, to explore means of cultural cooperation with other ethnic groups, to also mediate in inter and intra-communal disputes affecting Ikwerre people, and to promote development and educational activities. Your Excellency, Ogbakor Ikwerre, however, is a non-political organization. But Your Excellency, with response to political pressures and obligations for the unity, peace, stability, and development of Ikwerre land, Rivers State, including Rivers State and Nigeria at large, it is in harmony with the government in our services delivery to the people, and that is why we are here. We are non-political, but we cannot sit to see our government being taken away by unknown persons. You are indeed the only governor we have. Commendation and appreciation. We sincerely commend and salute the courage and administration excellence of Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State. We commend you as follows: a very impressive and pleasant celebration of your 1 year in office with 5 need projects distributed in all the local government areas of the state. Recently, overwhelming support and solidarity from every nook and cranny of Rivers State, with full of praises for this administration and fervently praying for Your Excellency's protection, their continued success, blessings from God, and the elevation. To make up. Your Excellency, the heartwarming dramatic increase, doubling the state monthly internally generated revenue, idea is unprecedented. Your Excellency, the ongoing Port Harcourt Ring Road, Transamari Kalabari Highway, el-rufai, Ebeda, Ubimini, Omok Road, particularly Emohua Kalabari, which the President General comes from. We are delighted to you, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, we will continue to be appreciating what you do in the state. Recently, Your Excellency, the appointment of 4 Ikwerre sons into the State Executive Council as commissioners, namely Honorable Prince Charles Deke, Commissioner for Local Government, Honorable Collins Onuwo, Commissioner for Transport, Honorable Solomon Ebe Leke, Commissioner for Power, and Honorable Eboka Tashe Amade, Commissioner for Work. All these are your good works. That is not the end. You went further recently to appoint the following chairman of local government areas as caretaker committee. Honorable Darlington Oji, Ikwerre local government. Chief Honorable David C. Omereji, my own local government. Honorable Edebunwa Ichemati, Port Harcourt local government area. Honorable Ambassador Chiojoke Ihuwa. Your Excellency, let me quote a section of the Bible. Matthew 5:9. Blessed are the peacemakers, for you shall be called the children of God. You continue doing all this for us. And recently, look at my right hand. Palisa. Appointment of our son and monarch, His Royal Majesty, Ezechika Amade, Bolu, Wodo, DSS, as aides on her, and the chairman of River State Traditional Rulers Council. You see, I quoted earlier that we are fearless because we have the wisdom of God. And for this position to remain in Ikwerre, we shall never forget in life. Infinito. Your Excellency, we are also impressed by the support and goodwill from the Southern governors, as recently expressed by the chairman of the forum, who is the governor of Ogun State. Support and solidarity, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, Ogbakor Ikwerre notes with keen interest satisfaction and administration and admiration their outstanding and sterling performances since assumption of office as the executive governor of River State, despite hiccups and challenges. We're excited with their support. We're excited with their superb and sound economic policies and programs designed to restore the glory of River State as an enviable industrial, commercial hub and treasure base of River State. Your Excellency's frontal and effective measures to resuscitate the civil through public service, payment of terminal benefits to retirees, all-inclusive economic development of the state, and frantic efforts to sustain unity, oneness, security, peace, and happiness in the state are most welcome. Ogbakor Ikwerre Organization Worldwide, on behalf of the entire Ikwerre Ethnic Nationality, has come to pledge our loyalty to this administration and will remain grateful to the people of River State. Ikwerre Mekau. Ikwerre people are ready to reciprocate this kind of gesture to other ethnic groups in our state. Accordingly, we pledge our loyalty and support to His Excellency, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, GSSR, the Executive Governor of River State. We therefore call on all our sons and daughters at home and in diaspora to support the administration for the peace and development of River State. Your Excellency, Ogbakor Ikwerre condemns in its entirety. We condemn in its entirety calls from mischievous, unpatriotic, and self-centered persons for a declaration of state of emergency in Rivers State. We call on His Excellency, the President and Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to discountenance such ill, malicious, greedy, myopic, and irresponsible call as Rivers State. As Rivers State has been a peaceful and hospitable state, we are happy with our God-sent government. Your Excellency, we have given you a lot of praises, but with greater respect to you and humility, we have some challenges. Ogbakor Ikwerre is beset with the following challenges, amongst others. Your Excellency, Obio Ikwerre, which is the Ogbakor Ikwerre Secretariat, also known as Ikwerre, also known as Obio Ikwerre, has been in a messy and pathetic state. Our greatest concern is getting a new and befitting Obio Ikwerre building. Your Excellency, we know you to be very, very magnanimous. Your magnanimity, coupled with the foundation laid by our former governor, Sir Peterobi, it was that gave birth to Obio Ikwerre in 2004. You can imagine a baby born in 2004 is no longer a minor in law. We have grown up, and that property is no longer there. It is there, but we are just patching with it. The recent explosion of a petrol tanker on the 4th of June 2024, Your Excellency, which was very close to the Obio Ikwerre, gave the building a devastating and a catastrophic week. Your Excellency, we have Bible project, and particularly the 2024 Ikwerre National Day of Thanksgiving, which seeks to pray for Ikwerre land, and particularly to praying for you. Rivers State government and the federal government is one of our requests. Ikwerre Cultural Day, which is always celebrated twice in every year. Your Excellency, the last one was celebrated on 6th day of April. We expected to see you, but we did not see you. Your absence caused a lot of injury to us. But we know you will ameliorate that injury. Your Excellency, these are programs we are obliged to carry out in accordance with our Constitution. But finance is our major constraint. We appeal to Your Excellency to salvage us from these financial problems. Passionate request. Your Excellency, we are making a passionate request for a motor vehicle for your President General. You could make out. You could make out. We humbly appeal to Your Excellency to graciously give our President General a motor vehicle to enhance his efficiency and effectiveness as the President General of Ikwerre Cultural Organization. We work. We don't have vehicle. Kindly help us, Your Excellency. Ikwerre. Your Excellency, whatever that has a beginning must have an end. We are more or less going to the end of this program. But I'm sorry, to the end of my address. Your Excellency, sir, we cannot thank you enough for this special session with you. We miss your presence. That I just concluded the day that was held on 6th April. On behalf of the entire Ikwerre Ethnic Nationality, we commend the Excellencies, political maturity, resilience, and soundness, the administrative dexterity, particularly your friendliness, your fairness, equity, and firmness. As you continue praying the Almighty God to continue to give you the grace and the wisdom he gave to Solomon, to continue to excel in your political career. Your Excellency, may the Lord keep and bless you, not you alone, particularly your family and the entire state, and also guide you as he leads you to the apex of your dream and vision. We will continue, whether rain or fall, to pray for the peace of Rivers State. Long live Nigeria. Long live Rivers State. Long live Your Excellency Siminalayi. Thank you from me.
The President General of Ogbakor Ikwerre
May I
Worldwide.
please, with your consent, give me a copy of this address and also the Constitution of Ogbakor Ikwerre. Ikwerre Ameka.
Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly, Right, the Honorable Victor Okojombo. You almost look like him. But I have to say it because I expected him to be here. It's a very important event. But that notwithstanding, the Secretary to the state government, other members of the state's executive council that are here, distinguished Senator John Tambata, and one of my very old friends, and I'm happy to see him here, distinguished Senator Andrew Chendo. Members of the National Assembly that are here, also members of the State Assembly that are here with us, the chairman, by the special grace of God, anchoring the affair of the traditional rulers today in Rivers State. One and only, my own Ezegwodu. Other majesties, royal fathers that are here, the President General of Ikwerre Worldwide, Ogbakor Ikwerre Worldwide. Okay, worldwide. No, but you can change it now. So you see, worldwide, and this one is larger. I don't even want it to be only Nigeria. So, Mr. President, and other very distinguished members of the organization, the chairman of the 4 local governments that make up the Ikwerre Ethnic Nationality that are here, other leaders that have also come for this very special solidarity and courtesy call. Our beautiful women, well dressed, our youths, no, but your Sims are working well. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I honestly am filled with happiness. You know what it means to start your week in a very bright mood. I'm happy that today, this afternoon, by the special grace of God, 4 local government areas, the heartbeat of the Ikwerre nationality are here to pay a solidarity visit. You know what it means. Let me, first of all, thank every one of you. I have not had the opportunity, maybe in a few gatherings, I've met with 1 or 2 LGAs, but meeting the 4 LGAs together, I want to thank you first for your support. Support before we started, support when we started, and your support after our victory. I want to also say this, I believe is a live coverage. Fubara is not an ungrateful person. If I were a bad person, you can't hide character that is bad more than 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 1 year, 2 years, 8 years, even more than 8 years. For 16 years, if I was a bad person, everybody would have known. But even your own child that is in your house, that you gave birth to. Let us start with even the girl child. It came to a stage, your girl child will enter the bathroom and lock the door, is it not? Even if I was forcefully, they forcefully put a feeding bottle in my mouth. If I get filled up, won't I pull it out? So when people stand outside and say, I want people to ask them, in your own good conscience, what is that bad, that wickedness, that ungratefulness that this man has even shown or done? But I leave that one to God, who will judge everybody. But today is not a day to complain. It's a day to appreciate. It's a day that just spelled out something big. That even those people that are, should I use the word, generating this propaganda of ethnic politics. Today, the Ikwerre people are here to show support explaining clearly that they are part of this government and they support this government to the end. What else? What kind of support again do I need? When your own father is here with me to say, look, we support you, it is the greatest blessing that any son gets. So let me thank all the royal fathers. Let me thank the very, very great opinion leaders of the Ogbakor Ikwerre Worldwide. I want to thank you for this support. I want to assure you that not minding what is happening, I will not throw caution to the wind. I will continue to appreciate that support that people give to me through somebody. I will continue to appreciate it. It doesn't matter whether the person accepts it or not, but I will continue. That's one alone is what makes me restrain when it gets to that point when I need to act. The restraint is because I was a well-brought-up boy. Nobody can, you know, there are people when they are growing up, they say, hey, he did this, he did that. My story is clean. I wasn't disowned. I was a pure young man. I served people, and I have the new record of everything. So I tell you, with all boldness and strength, that I'm well brought up. And for that reason, I have respect. So let me say here that I will continue to respect and appreciate. I will not take this your love for granted. I assure you that we are going to work together for the progress and development of our state. The heart of our state is in this 4 local governments. The airport is situated in Ikwerre. The headquarters, the government headquarters, is between Falga and Obio. That is where the economic activity. Emohua is also there. So I'm happy to identify with you today openly and to assure you that we will do more things to bring development to these 4 local government areas. I just want to appeal to every one of you. Always stand for what is right. It doesn't matter whether 1 million is at the other side. If you are the only one standing at the right side, stand. You won't get tired. But those people standing on the wrong side, definitely they will be exhausted. So I want to thank you, assure you that I will make you people proud. It does not matter whether I'm from Ikwerre or not. After all, I'm also an Ikwerre. After when we were going for election, they said that my mother is somebody from Puerto. But aside that, I'm even an in-law. So you know the importance of an in-law to an Ikwerre man. So if I'm an in-law, I'm also an adopted son of an Ikwerre. I'm not just anywhere Ikwerre. From Ishoko or Hochukwu family, recognized by all of you. So it means that I'm one of you. So, President General, I'll finish eulogizing you people. Just like you said, I also have my own. Then my own is going to be a good one. I feel very sad that in 2004, our father came and laid a foundation for a secretariat. And after 2004, nothing happened. Even when people had everything. Maybe God had a reason for it. He wanted the adopted son to come and do it. So let me hear, on behalf of the government and the very, very peace-loving people of Rivers State. It is there everywhere. Everyone knows that the true Rivers people are peace-loving. It is only the visitors that bring trouble. The true Rivers person is peace-loving. Let me here announce to you that we are going to take over and complete that secretariat. We will be Ikwerre Secretariat. That is on one side. The other side of it is the president mentioned some of the administrative challenges and also requested for some fund so that the secretariat will be operating very well at the temporary site. On behalf of the government, we're making a donation of 100 billion naira. Then, for the vehicle, before you leave here, we'll hand over one vehicle to you. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me close by assuring everyone that is here and also the people that you represent that our government will be a government that will give equal opportunity to everybody. It will be a government that will operate a system where, in our national anthem today, said, a country where no man is oppressed. I shall not and will not, in any means, directly or indirectly, oppress anybody. I want to live here. I want to leave this office and be a peaceful man. Work without security. That is the greatest achievement of a good leader. A leader, when you live and you surround yourself with army and everything, it means something is wrong. And I want to appeal that you are the ones that will help me achieve it. I want you to also be peaceful, no matter the level of provocation. What they want is to set this state on fire. But the God that we serve and the prayers from you people, some of them who attempted it, what happened to their hand? That is also what will happen to anybody. After all, we said it some years ago. Anybody who is against River State will not know peace. It is a public declaration. What you declare is what will happen. We will want peace. And that peace is what will abide in River State. Let me thank every one of you again. Assure you of this government's support at all levels. We will continue to make sure that you feel the impact of government positively. Chairman, also lead with the fear of God is important. Live with the fear of God. Live and lead, knowing fully well that your tenure will expire one day, and there should be something to show that you're a leader. Don't oppress your people. Everybody is free to make complaint. At the end of the day, do what is right. You have my total support. I will continue to give you anything that is within my power to make you succeed. Let me, at this point, appreciate you once again and leave you with the only thing that is most important, the peace of God Almighty. Thank you, and may God bless you.